What up, guys?
What up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. We're gonna do a Blayblade battle with the Nerf new gun. They show the beauty. The beauty. So, guys, the beauty is right here. Let me see. Okay. Well, my brother's right there in the camera.
What up, guys?
And we're gonna do a Blayblade battle like this, but not a Blayblade battle where we're gonna show it with this beauty. And then at least you have this one rated 1, right, bro?
Yeah.
It kind of a little loose, but it's still 1.
It kind of sucks.
Kind of. Okay, so.
Wait, do that again?
Yeah. So give 10,000 likes on this video, yo. If you hit.
Have you guys not seen our shirts? Look.
Our merch.
Wait, not shirt. Yeah, see? Both shirts. Yeah.
Okay, guys. My Blayblade had stopped. And you can see Blayblade illusion. I never colored it because it's barely new. And who dared me to do my Beyblade right here? Give a big thumbs up. I'm gonna do it.
Wait, guys. Wait. Let me pause this for a second. Guys, let me shut the door because it's really noisy. So, yeah, we're back, guys. We closed it. Kind of. We still got the fidget spinner. Not the fidget spinner. The Blayblade. Still spinning. What a wonderful one. Look, guys.
Wait, I just put the light here. I don't know where to go.
What is that under?
It's still spinning.
Look at that beauty.
Now, we're going to do this one now. Let's see how this one can take longest. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. You hear that, guys?
So, Alex, are you ready to get the bad boy out?
Is that? Go!
So, I'm about to shoot
Guys,
this.
look at us. Look at us. It's really savage because jump it.
Here, Alex, shoot it.
Okay. I shoot it.
So, we're about to see this bad boy. Look at this. Oh, shit.
Shimmer. Yo, those bullets go really high.
I know.
Bro, I need to shoot it right here.
Oh.
Bro, guess how much bullets it take me?
How much?
3!
3.
Bro, I just needed 3 bullets for that shot.
3 bullets.
It was enough bullets. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
If you guys want to see his room tour, make sure to say room tour, please. And then we'll do his room tour. And also, if you guys want to see his Nerf gun collection, make sure to say Nerf gun collection. And then let's see who wins on that. Alright, guys?
And you get a beep,
if we get this 100 likes, no, 1 million likes,
you get some.
you get one of these as one of those. You get one of these Nerf guns. We'll show you all. Look, this is the half of one right there. Look, half
okay,
of
guys.
one.
Angel, I'm gonna tell the rest of our video, guys.
There's more in there.
If someone gives 102,000 likes on this,
I'll get that bad boy.
No.
And we'll buy you more.
I will give you some B-Bucks in Fortnite. If someone gets the big 1,000 likes, I'll give you B-Bucks. Hey,
alright, he said it. He promised you guys.
Then if he don't,
we're gonna set his Fortnite account. Alright, guys.
I'm gonna give you like a little bit because I don't want to waste my B-Bucks.
Show him how many do you have.
Wait. I thought I'm going today is my own almost birthday because in the 6th.
Tomorrow is your birthday.
Tomorrow's my birthday. Look at our new merch. Look at our new merch, guys. Our new merch is right here. You go to alex.com.
Alright, alexshop.com.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.